Good afternoon, students. Now we are going to see the brainstorming of the second poem, that is Indian Weavers. You got brainstorming of the first poem, and also we have covered the third poem. You are going to get the brainstorming of each and every poem. So we will start the brainstorming. Means the question answers that is given or there in your text. The first question is, discuss with your partner about the following vocations. Means you have to give information about the following vocations: weaving, tailoring, knitting and embroidery. The first one is weaving. Weaves clothes. Handloom weaving, the second most widespread occupation next to agriculture. Each region of India has its typical yarn, style and fabric. Indian people like to wear cotton. Silk is also popular among women. The next occupation is tailoring. Makes clothes of different designs. A tailor can have own machines and stitch clothes according to the client's need. Can make high fashion garments. They create the trading fashions worldwide. नेक्स्ट ऑक्युपेशन इज निटिंग, म्हणजे विणणे, जसं की आपण स्वेटर वगैरे विणतो या पद्धतीने. मेक्स क्लोथ्स बाय निटिंग बाय इंटरलॉकिंग लूप्स ऑफ वन और मोर यार्न्स इदर बाय हँड्स और विथ निडल. यार्न मीन्स लोकर, निडलचा वापर करून किंवा हाताने विणले जातात. मेनी विमेन आर स्किल्ड इन इट, इस्पेशली फ्रॉम कोल्ड रिजन वेअर दे मेक वॉर्म क्लोथ्स फॉर फॅमिली. इट कॅन बी डन विथ मशीन्स टू. आणि शेवटचं ऑक्युपेशन आहे एम्ब्रॉयडरिंग, म्हणजे डिझायनिंग केलेलं असतं एखादं पिक्चर किंवा एखादं डिझाईन. अ पर्सन हू डिझाईन्स क्लोथ्स डेकोरेट इट बाय सिविंग अ पॅटर्न और पिक्चर ऑन इट. दिस आर्ट नीड्स स्किलफुल fingers and patience. From hanky to wall hangers are laboriously made with silk threads and tiny needles. Many other decorative items like tablecloth, sari edge, bedsheet, pillow covers, cushions are made. Machine embroidery can also be done. Next question, A to 1. First question in that is, various products made by the weavers are, that is mentioned in the 3 stanzas. In the first stanza, robes. In the second one, marriage bells, and in the third one, white shroud. These are the various products made by the weavers. Second question, second in that, you are supposed to complete this table. One has been done for you. The words in the 3 stanza of the poem mention different times of the day. Complete the table. Time of the day, early morning, and the phrase used is break of day. Weavers weave robes for the newborn child. Late in the evening, and the words or the phrase used is fall of night, and weavers work is weavers weave a wedding veil for a queen. Third one, cold night, and phrase is used moonlight, and weavers work is weavers weave a shroud for a dead man's funeral. It's very easy, still it has been given to all of you. A to third question, again one table has been given to you. The poem reveals 3 phases of life. Fill in the blanks with the feelings and the colors appropriate to the phase of life. One is done for you. Color blue for the newborn baby, and for youth or adulthood, the color is peacock color of the purple and green, and for old age the color is white as a feather or cloud. And for the feelings for the newborn child are hopes and expectations. For youth or adulthood, the feelings are expectations, responsibilities and energy. And for the old age, the feelings are frailness, means dublepana, and peace, wisdom, etc. Now the next question, complete the weavers, complete it. The weavers wave in the chill moonlight. The weavers wave in the chill moonlight a cloth as white as the feathers as a cloud, a shroud for a dead man's funeral. Next question, pick out 2 words used to describe the weavers in the last stanza. Also state their importance. The words that are solemn and still are the 2 words used in the last stanza to describe the weavers. The word describe the occasion for which the craftsmen are working. A shroud is being woven for a funeral. The worker's mood is also serious and calm because of the occasion. Next question, express your views about the present condition of weavers. Weaving industry is one of the most surviving sector of the mass employment in India after agriculture. Agriculture नंतरची सर्वात मोठी इंडस्ट्री विविंग इंडस्ट्री सर्वाइविंग आहे. मीन्स की इट हेल्प्स टू सर्वाइव टू द पीपल. इट प्रोव्हाइड्स जॉब टू लार्जेस्ट वर्कफोर्स. It has existed for thousands of years in our country. Next question. Describe in your own words the steps or measures that can be taken to solve the problems of weavers. आता मशिनरीचा जास्तीत जास्त उपयोग मग एम्ब्रॉयडरिंग असू देत किंवा निटिंग असू देत, टेलरिंग असू देत, या सर्वांमध्ये किंवा विविंग असू देत, या सर्वांमध्ये जास्तीत जास्त वापर मशिनरीचा केला गेल्यामुळे पारंपरिक पद्धतीने भारतामध्ये जे विविंग चालतं आहे, निटिंग चालतं आहे, स्टिचिंग चालतं आहे, ही याच्यामध्ये अनेक समस्या उद्भवत आहेत. तर याच्यावरती मात करण्यासाठी म्हणून तुम्हाला काही उपाय सुचवायचे आहेत. विवर्स आर अनऑर्गनाइज्ड. Government allocates crores for handloom promotion council, but the weavers get nothing. This industry should be promoted by the government, designers and supported by public. Subsidies for buying yarn and dyes should be given. Clean water and electricity are necessary for them, so giver must provide it, and the buyer can buy directly from the weavers. Exhibitions can be arranged to bring craftsmen and buyers closer. Next question. Express your own views and opinions from the viewer's point of view and complete the following table. In the first stanza, the activity is ropes for the newborn baby, and views opinion, the viewers are happy because they are enthusiastic to weave the bright blue ropes for the newborn child. In the second stanza, the activity is the purple green veil for the wedding of a queen, and views or opinions are the viewers are joyous to dress the loyalty on the happiest and the most important day of her life. Third stanza, shroud for the funeral of a dead man. She is there by mistake, a dead man. The viewers are solemn and quiet or calm as the cycle has closed for the person, and it is true for everyone. Rhyming words, it's very easy question, still the answer has been given. In the first stanza, the rhyming words are day, gay, wild child. In the second stanza, night, bright. In the third stanza, still, chill, cloud, shroud. Give antonyms and synonyms for the following words and make sentence. It's also easy, still it has been done for you here. The word is new, antonym is old, and the synonym is fresh. And the sentence old, everyone must grow old. Fresh, after 10 we start fresh life. After 10th we, th is not there, but you have to read like this. After 10th we start fresh life. Bright, and the antonym is dull, synonym is shining. The sentence has been given for you. Dead, antonym is alive, synonym is lifeless. Still, antonym is lively, synonym is unmoving. Wild, antonym is civilized and synonym is untamed. And the sentences has been prepared and given over here. Now we are going to see the figure of speech used in which line. First one is simile, म्हणजे ॲजचा वापर करून तुलना केलेली असते, त्याला आपण सिमिली असं म्हणतो. थर्ड स्टॅन्झामध्ये ब्ल्यू ॲज द विंग ऑफ पेलिकन वाइल्ड. सेवन्थ लाईन लाईक द प्लम्स ऑफ पिकॉक पर्पल अँड ग्रीन. 11th लाईनमध्ये व्हाईट ॲज अ फेदर अँड व्हाईट ॲज अ क्लाउड. इमॅजिरी म्हणजे एखादं पिक्चर तुमच्या डोळ्यासमोर क्रिएट होतं. फर्स्ट ब्रेक ऑफ द डे गे ब्ल्यू. 4th लाईनमध्ये न्यूबॉर्न चाइल्ड. 5th मध्ये फॉल ऑफ नाईट ग्रीन पर्पल रॉयल. 8th मॅरेज बेल अँड 9th सोलेम अँड स्टील. मेटाफर फर्स्ट लाईनमध्ये ब्रेक ऑफ द डे डे इज बॉर्न अ न्यूबॉर्न चाइल्ड. 5th लाईनमध्ये फॉल ऑफ नाईट ट्वालाइट द रोमॅन्टिक हाफ लाईट बिगिनिंग ऑफ वेडिंग ब्लिस फॉर सेकंड स्टेज ऑफ लाईफ. 8th लाईनमध्ये मॅरेज वेल्स. 10th मध्ये चिल इंडिकेटिंग डेथ, मून इंडिकेटिंग नाईट अँड डार्कनेस फॉर द लास्ट स्टेज ऑफ लाईफ. Rhyme scheme in the first stanza is A A B B, and the second also the same rhyme scheme is there, and in the third the rhyme scheme is same everywhere, A, B, B. Fifth question. The poet has asked the question at the beginning of every stanza. Explain the effect it creates on the reader. Each stanza begins with a question so that the reader knows about the time of the day, the color of the cloth. The reply gives information regarding the purpose of new cloth and why that color is chosen. The poem is like a conversation between the poet and the viewers. The poem thus flows easily. Now we are going to see the appreciation of the poem. Appreciation हा क्वेश्चन परीक्षेमध्ये येण्याची शक्यता आहे. पेपर पॅटर्न आलेला नाही, त्यामुळे आपण सांगू शकत नाही की कशा प्रकारचा क्वेश्चन विचारला जाणार आहे. त्यामुळे ॲप्रिसिएशनला इम्पॉर्टन्स आहेच यावर्षी. त्यामुळे प्रत्येक पोएमचं ॲप्रिसिएशन तुम्हाला दिलं जाणार आहे. तर या पोएमचं ॲप्रिसिएशन आपण बघू. ॲप्रिसिएशनमध्ये काही सर्टेन पॉईंट्स असतात ज्याच्या आधारे तुम्हाला इन्फॉर्मेशन लिहायची असते. ते पॉईंट्स कदाचित दिले जातील, कदाचित दिले जाणार नाहीत, परंतु सर्व पोएमचं ॲप्रिसिएशन एकदा तुम्ही शिकल्यानंतर सर्व पॉईंट्स तुमच्या लक्षात राहतील. फक्त सर्व इन्फॉर्मेशन तुमच्या लक्षात राहिली पाहिजे आणि तुम्हाला ते ॲप्रिसिएशन लिहिता आलं पाहिजे. फर्स्टली द टायटल. टायटल ऑफ दिस पोएम टॉक्स अबाउट द इंडियन आर्टिसन, इस्पेशली वेवर्स. द पोएट इज प्रेझिंग द वर्क ऑफ इंडियन वेवर्स इन दिस पोएम. The poetess of this poem is Sarojini Naidu. She was political activist, feminist, and the first Indian woman who became the president of the Indian National Congress. She was also an important figure in Indian struggle for independence. Sarojini Naidu worked as a poet, earned her a sobriquet of the Nightingale of India. हे इंट्रोडक्शनमध्ये आपण पाहिलेलं होतं, हे तुम्हाला लिहायचं आहे. थीम. Sarojini Naidu's poem Indian Weavers highlights the craft and skill of the Indian weavers. The poem tells about the three important stages of human life, namely birth, marriage and death. The poetess relates these three stages to different colors and different times of the day. Next, poetic devices. Appreciation continue. Poetic devices. Rhyme scheme of the poem is AABB. The poet uses the number of literary devices to express her ideas like simile, imagery, metaphor and alliteration like that. The poem consists of a discussion between the poet and the viewers. The poetess asks question to viewers and the latter reply. Style. Indian Weavers by Sarojini Naidu is a short poem consisting of 3 stanzas having 4 lines in each stanza. The poet talks about 3 types of dresses that the Indian weavers weaves at 3 particular times, and the dress symbolize particular stage of life. Special features of this poem. The poem is written in simple language which is simple to understand. The poetess has used question answers format between the poetess and the craftsman. The poet shows the hard work of the craftsmen and how we use their products in every occasion of our life. Moral. The poetess salutes to Indian weavers. The poem describes 3 important stages of the human life. We can understand them. प्रत्येक पोएममध्ये मोरल असेलच असं नाही, की तुम्हाला काय त्याच्यातून मोरल मिळालं हे तुम्ही लिहू शकता. ओपिनियन. आता इथे तुम्हाला तुमचं मत मांडायचं आहे. I find from the poem that the weavers are not only skillful but also talented. They combine colors and create patterns that are eye-catching. They know which color are apt means योग्य for occasion. The poet brings out their talent as well as their hard-working nature. So this is the end of the appreciation. Thank you very much. You have to write down all these question answers in your notebook.